When you think of styrofoam, you might think of coffee cups. But in the world of construction, expanded polystyrene, or EPS, is an absolute powerhouse. Today, we're looking at why these sheets are a non-negotiable for high-quality build. First up, let's talk about the expansion joints. As we all know, concrete isn't static. It expands and contracts with the weather. So if you don't give it room to move, it will crack. By placing EPS sheets in your joints, you create a flexible cushion that absorbs that movement, protecting your foundation and driveways for decades. Secondly, we use EPS Styrofoam for soundproofing and insulation. When you're building, it's not just about the structure. It's about peace and quiet. EPS has a closed cell structure that's incredible for sound dampening. Using it in your walls or floor helps kill that echo effect that blocks out the surrounding noise. So, styrofoam is lightweight, moisture resistant, and surprisingly affordable. Whenever you're building, you should consider using styrofoam because it is the invisible layer that makes your house a home.